Paul Cadet. He talked to us about the possibility of a new deck, and he gave us an estimate. He gave us a time. We thought, okay, go ahead. Well, it just happened that they actually finished the project before the date. I just wanted to say that they did a fabulous job. I mean, they were so thorough, so confident, so complete in their work, and finishing on time. It was amazing, and the deck looks fantastic.
We're just so pleased with the quality of the work and the speed in which it was done. It was really terrific, and we have enjoyed this deck so much more than we have in the past.
When they said they were going to be there, they were there, and the quoting was very good. First, we were not going to get this kind of railing, but then Paul said, you know what, this kind of railing, the glass railing, would look fabulous. And so he gave us a price, and he actually came back a second time, and it was actually reduced. And so, hey, we went for it.
Got the PVC flooring and the glass railing, and we're so happy with that. We have a beautiful view.
We have up to 13, 14, 15 people up here, and the one thing that they suggested is that they extend the deck about 3 extra feet. What a wonderful decision that was, because it allowed a lot more family members to be in this enclosed area. The thing that struck me, and I'm sure Nance too, is how competent they were. They overcame every challenge. They were so highly skilled. I mean, I just watched in awe. They completed all our needs.